Alright friends, so before I talk about how to link images to different websites, there were two more tricks that I wanted to show you, okay? And I don't want you to miss that. So let's add a page background, okay? Let's go to the body tag, and on top I want you to add image source. Okay, within the body tag, okay, notice that we now have CSS coding, and it is highly recommended when you're trying to style the background of your website. You have to use CSS now. Otherwise, bad things will happen. Some browsers won't be able to read your background properly. Okay, so it would be a shame that you put a background and some people can see the background. So, but just to let you inform you of basic HTML coding, this is where you add the background of your entire web page. Body background, okay, background is equal to, and I need to add this background. Where is it? Yes, it's a PNG file, and its name is background png.png. okay, just wanted to make the name stand out. Background png, same, yes, otherwise it won't work. Okay, and close the inverted commas. That's it. Okay, and then we also did the background color. You could say BG color is equal to any color that you want to add, but I'm not going to talk about that right now. I'm just trying to use an image for the background. Let's save the file, and let's refresh. There you go. Okay, now let me tell you the main difference between the JPG file. That's what I was talking about in my first lecture. Okay, this first lecture, I said in the first topic, I said that the JPEG image doesn't have any transparency. The PNG image is low resolution, loads quickly, but has lots of transparency, which means any background color associated with it will not interrupt the background of your website. Okay, so this is the difference. Notice how cleanly the horse is cut out, so that it appears as if it belongs to this page. It's like it is pressed to this background. It looks natural. Okay, and again, this guy here, the animated GIF, just because of its what do we call the style of this image. Otherwise, you could also have other images. For example, let me show you. Okay, let me show you an example in which the background of the GIF image will be transparent. Okay, so just don't underestimate GIF images. They are very low transparency, but they really make websites look really cute and attractive, especially to young audiences. Okay, so let me just try to copy this whole line here. Control C and Control V. Okay, now I am going to refer to an image that is not locally located here, so that I can show you how to apply what I was trying to teach here before when I said local, local files or external files. Okay, let me try to access that image. Okay, this image is located here in the image folder. It is outside the image chapter. Okay, which means that you have to use the whole entire pathway. So how do we get the pathway? Right click, get to properties, and I prefer using the entire pathway instead of just HTML1/images, because it works each time. It works without any issues. So I'm just going to say Control C, and what's the name? Animated boy.gif. Is it GIF? Okay, I'm trying to hover so that it shows properties. Yes, it's a GIF file. This is where you can find out. Okay, cancel. Let's go back. Okay, and okay, let's go back here and try to Control V and then backslash and write the name of the file, animated boy.gif. Okay, let's see what happens. Save. Alright, it's gone all the way down. Let me just bring it up, okay, so that you can see it easily. Alright. Okay, the alt also needed to change. Let me just copy this whole thing. Control X, and let's just put it here. Control V. Okay, and let's add a break here. Control C, Control V. Okay, this needs to change, and the description of this image is boxing boy. Okay, and all of these have to change. Again, this guy here, this was animated GIF, this was the timer. Just say timer, digital timer. Okay, it's not fair, you need to change the alternate text, okay, just to be nice. And then that's a good programming practice. Save and refresh. Okay, there you go. Okay, so this transparency, okay, this particular GIF file does not have transparency. Okay, what you could do is you could change the transparency. You could use a photo editing or image editing software to remove the transparency and save this file again in the folder and then refer to it. Okay, so I was trying to show you how you can use another file. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Okay, height is fine, width is a little bit too, he's looking too thin. No, height was the same, 220. The width needs to be a little bit broader. For example, let's make it 180. I'm just eyeballing it. Save and refresh. Okay, this bit broader. Okay, now what I don't like about this image is that it is disturbing my background. Notice the difference between this image and that image. Okay, this has been treated, the background has been made transparent. You can make the image transparent easily. There are many online image editors out there. Just upload this image and make the background transparent, and then store it back in your folder, and then access the same file, and then you would see that the transparency becomes, visible, so that the background is not disturbed. Okay, and the other thing that I want to show you, what was that? Apart from the background image, I wanted to show you, yes, how to link image to different websites. Okay, hang in there. Let's talk about that in the next video.